The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is here, and it's thinner, smarter, and more powerful than ever. With a gorgeous AMOLED display, Dimensity 9300 Plus chip, and a tempting new amazing price tag on marketplaces. Is this the Android tablet to beat in 2025? Let's dive in. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the video description, and you can buy this tab from Amazon in big discounted rate. Let's start the video. Samsung nails the design again. The Tab S10 Plus is just 0.22 inches thick and weighs 1.26 pounds, making it ultra-portable without feeling flimsy. And that display? A 12.4-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp 2800 by 1752 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and scrolling feels buttery smooth. It's a dream for both Netflix binging and productivity. Under the hood, Samsung swapped in the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, and the results are impressive. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, it flies through multitasking, heavy apps, and even high-end mobile gaming. Whether you're running decks, editing docs, or just flying through apps, this tablet doesn't miss a beat. You've got two storage options, 256 or 512 gigs, plenty of room for apps, media, and creative projects. There's also a single USB Type-C port for charging, file transfer, or connecting accessories. Tablet cameras are rarely exciting, but Samsung put effort here. You get a 13-megapixel main, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Video calls look great, and photo quality is solid for scanning documents or the occasional snap. In real-world testing, the Tab S10 Plus lasted 8 hours and 22 minutes of mixed use. That's decent but not groundbreaking. You'll get through a workday, but you'll be reaching for the charger by night. Originally priced at $999, you can now grab it for $849 on Amazon. That's a solid deal for a premium tablet that goes head-to-head with the iPad Pro. If you're looking for a high-end Android tablet in 2025, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus checks nearly every box. It's powerful, beautiful, and now, more affordable than ever. Whether you're a creative, a student, or just want an all-in-one media machine, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, give it a like, subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Got questions? Drop message in the comments below.